Hot grease poured down your sink solidifies inside the pipe in under 30 seconds. Layer by layer, the same process creating 1,000-pound fatbergs beneath city streets is happening inches below your drain. Repairs run $300 to $5,000. A $2 powder can stop the buildup entirely, yet most plumbers never mention it. The reason starts with a physics problem hiding inside every kitchen pipe. Beneath the streets of London, a solid mass weighing more than 100 tons once filled a city sewer, the size and weight of a small car stretching the length of a football field. In 2017, the Whitechapel Fatberg measured 130 tons and 250 meters, forcing crews to dig it out with shovels and high-pressure jets. Removal costs ran into the millions, with Thames Water estimating over £2 million just for winter blockages and £40 million a year to keep the network clear. These aren't isolated events. In December 2025, another 100-ton fatberg was discovered in East London, taking weeks to extract. West London's Feltham district faced a similar crisis, where the cost of clearing and repairing the damage reached into the tens of millions. Tim Davies, head of waste operations for North London, put it plainly. When fats, oils, and wipes go down drains, they don't disappear, they build up, creating blockages that cripple entire neighborhoods. More than 60% of local sewer floods are caused by these avoidable buildups. The same process is at work in every home. Hot grease cools and hardens, layer by layer, inside residential pipes. Wet wipes and coffee grounds stick to the greasy surface, just as they do in the city's massive fatbergs. The cost for a single professional hydro jetting at home can reach $600, but on a city scale, the bills soar into the millions. As Laura Chen, a municipal engineer, warns, every fatberg starts with a single kitchen sink. The physics behind a city's fat mountain is identical to what's happening, unseen, just beneath your counter. The next section breaks down how this transformation from liquid to solid happens so quickly, and why prevention is so much cheaper than the cure. Hot grease, straight from the pan, looks harmless as it slips down the drain. But the science of what happens next is anything but simple. As soon as that liquid fat hits the inside of a home pipe, the temperature drops sharply. A typical kitchen faucet sends water down at about 60 degrees Celsius, but copper pipes, common in many homes, pull that heat away fast. With a thermal conductivity of 385 watts per meter per Kelvin, copper cools the contents from 60 to 20 degrees in just 30 seconds. Even PVC, which insulates better, cannot keep the heat in for long when water flow slows. Once the temperature falls below 45 degrees, the saturated fats and animal grease begin to crystallize. At 30 degrees and below, a sticky, semi-solid film forms along the pipe wall. This is not just a random coating, it is a boundary layer, a kind of invisible glue that grabs onto anything else that comes its way. Coffee grounds, flour, pasta, and even tiny bits of rice all stick to this grease film, building up over time. Plumber Mike explains that no matter how much hot water you pour, the pipe's own material will always cool things down enough for the fat to harden. That is why the first layer of grease is nearly impossible to remove with water alone. Each meal cooked with oil or butter adds another invisible coat, setting the stage for a clog. The process is so reliable that engineers can predict exactly where the buildup will start. Left unchecked, this film becomes the foundation for bigger blockages and expensive repairs. The only way to break the cycle is to stop the grease before it ever touches the pipe wall. Chemical drain cleaners promise a quick fix, but the reality is far more damaging. When poured down a clogged pipe, lye-based products like Drano or liquid plumber trigger an exothermic reaction that can spike temperatures inside the drain to 93 degrees Celsius, hot enough to soften or warp common pipe materials. Dr. Anita Rao's lab has tracked the impact. Copper pipes exposed to repeated chemical treatments lose an average of 0.12 milligrams per square centimeter, a sign of ongoing corrosion. PVC, the backbone of most modern plumbing, fares no better. After just 5 cycles of chemical exposure, it can lose up to 8% of its flexural strength, making it brittle and more likely to crack under pressure. The cleaner may clear the immediate clog, but the leftover heat and caustic residue eat away at the pipe walls, setting the stage for leaks and costly repairs. Marketing rarely mentions these risks. Instead, the cycle repeats, each use shaving years off your plumbing's lifespan, while the original clog often returns. Dr. Rao's findings make it clear. The short-term convenience of chemical cleaners comes with a hidden, long-term price. Coffee grounds, flour, and starchy leftovers are some of the worst offenders for home drains. Yet they slip into the sink after almost every meal. Plumber Mike recalls a call where a homeowner faced a $350 bill just for clearing a dense coffee ground plug. The grounds clumped together, sticking to the greasy film already lining the pipe. Flour and pasta seem harmless when rinsed away, but they swell up to twice their original size once trapped in a moist, confined space. Even a handful of rice or pasta can expand by 100%, forming a gluey mass that resists both plungers and hot water. The cost for a single kitchen clog can run from $150 to $500, depending on how far the blockage has traveled. These materials also create the perfect base for more buildup, catching soap scum and hair as they pass. Each rinse down the drain is a small, invisible deposit toward a much bigger repair. For most homeowners, these habits go unnoticed until the water stops draining and the repair bill arrives. A splash of leftover paint, a rinse of solvent, or a quick pour of cleaning chemicals, these simple acts can trigger some of the costliest plumbing disasters in a home. When latex paint goes down the drain, it doesn't dissolve. It dries inside the pipe, forming a thin, rubbery film that traps other debris. Solvents and oil-based residues are even riskier. They can break down pipe linings, especially in older or plastic systems, and kill the bacteria that keep septic tanks working. Septic system failures are among the most expensive plumbing emergencies, with repairs often running from $3,000 to $10,000. In many states, pouring paint or hazardous liquids into household drains isn't just risky, it's illegal. Fines for improper disposal range from $300 to $5,000 per incident. As Dr. Rao notes, 1 pint of solvent can disrupt an entire septic field, leading to a total system replacement. The true cost isn't just a clogged pipe, it's a legal and financial crisis that can be avoided with a few simple precautions. A single call to clear a blocked kitchen drain can cost anywhere from $150 to $500, but that is just the beginning. When clogs go deeper or pipes crack under pressure, the bills escalate fast. Plumber Mike estimates that root intrusion removal usually lands between $300 and $650 per visit. If the blockage leads to a section of pipe needing replacement, the price can soar past $2,200, sometimes as high as $4,800 for a standard PVC or ABS line. Emergency calls after hours tack on another $250 to $500 just for the visit, not including repairs. Across the country, homeowners spend an average of $1,300 to $1,500 each year on routine plumbing upkeep. Add in the unplanned emergencies, and that figure climbs by another $400 to $700 per incident. Multiply those numbers by over 120 million households, and the national tab for drain-related repairs exceeds $100 billion annually. These are not rare disasters. About 1 in 3 homes will face a major drain repair within 5 years. The financial reality is clear. The cost of ignoring small habits in the kitchen can snowball into a repair bill that rivals a month's mortgage payment. Even a single mistake, like pouring the wrong thing down the sink, can trigger a chain of expenses that most families never see coming until it is too late. A $2 powder sits quietly on the shelf at most hardware stores, promising to do what costly repairs and chemical quick fixes cannot: stop the cycle of drain damage before it starts. The formula, based on a biodegradable polymer, coats the inside of pipes with a thin, invisible film. This barrier prevents grease, starch, and fine debris from ever binding to the pipe wall. Over months, it continues to block root intrusion and neutralize corrosive biofilm, making it harder for clogs to take hold. One 30-gram bottle costs less than a cup of coffee and treats an entire kitchen branch line for a full year. Emma Patel, a homeowner from St. Louis, tried the powder after a plumber estimated her repair would run $2,600. Instead, she followed the simple steps. Sprinkle the powder into the drain, flush with hot water, and repeat each month. 12 months later, her pipes ran clear and her only expense was $2. Emma's story is echoed in survey panels, where hundreds of homeowners report similar results. 0 emergency calls, no rooter visits, and savings that often exceed $500 per year. Plumber Mike, who has seen every kind of kitchen disaster, now recommends the powder as a first line of defense. It is the cheapest insurance you can buy for your pipes, he says. The break-even point arrives within weeks, long before most people would even notice a problem. Compared to a single $500 repair, the annual investment is almost nothing. For most households, a $2 habit can mean years of worry-free drains and thousands kept in the bank. Today, a $2 preventive habit stands between households and $5,000 repair bills. Grease, starch, and coffee grounds keep accumulating, while chemical quick fixes often mask deeper pipe damage. As septic systems fail and costs mount, every overlooked drain decision shapes tomorrow's expense. Small choices now can protect your home for years. What's your drain worth?